Hey, my name is Thomas, and today I would like to talk a bit about screen sharing and what solution I found for my problem working on a widescreen monitor. Um, so what you can see now, usually that's what I see quite often today. People just share their full screen. There's a lot of white space, and when I would be now not on my widescreen or my laptop or my iPad or even my phone, I would not see anything, right? Or barely, right? I have to zoom in to see something, even when someone is sharing an Excel spreadsheet. Now you could basically make your window a bit smaller, right? Or scale it to the right resolution, maybe even full HD. I like that, and just share your window. That would work. There's even a script from Jeff Keeling where you can just go ahead and say, hey, I want to scale that window to full HD. So now it's full HD, pretty easy. And now you have the perfect resolution, I think, for the most part. Maybe there are use cases to have it even smaller when you record like training videos and so on. Fair enough. But for me, that doesn't work like it because I usually have to reshare stuff quite often then because I'm dealing with multiple applications, or I have to pull in a virtual machine, or I'm sharing my iPhone as well. So for me, that's not really an option because that's just resharing all the time. What I found really valuable is an app called DeskPad. So, and that's an open source application. I even have it open here. So pretty easy to install. And how that works now, you can see a window up here, and my mouse is basically just gliding into that virtual monitor. And I can just take my application or whatever I have and just pull it into the virtual monitor and maximize it. And now I'm just working in that virtual monitor. Everything else outside here, it's basically then not shared. Let's quickly do that. So let's start a new meeting and Zoom. And then if you click on share, you would see you can just share a second desktop, and that's virtual. So let's do that. And I quickly will start the recording because then I can show you that live. So that would be the view what you get. And my mouse is basically just getting in here, and I can show you around, no problems at all. And if I need more stuff, I can just get more stuff pulled into here, right? It's just like a monitor, but it can still work on my ultra wide one. And for me, that's super valuable, even when you want to record something, right, in a specific resolution to later share it on YouTube or in training materials and so on. Um, Super valuable for me. Let's also quickly bring up the system settings here. I have to bring that in from to the monitor, and you can see it's just basically showing up as DeskPad display, and I arranged it like this. So here's my ultra wide, here's my second virtual monitor, and I can just drag and drop stuff from my original one into the virtual one and vice versa. And yeah, that's mainly it. And I was very happy to find that, and I hope some of you will find that also helpful, and would appreciate any comments you have to that. And everything what I mentioned, I will link as well in the video description or in the comments.